For Ezekiel, I'm your advisor. This is Nandine. I hope you will not forget me. Mga anak, parang kailan lang, nung pumasok ako sa klase ninyo. Takot na, hindi nyo lang halata, pero takot na takot ako. Salamat at hindi nyo pinahirapan yung buhay ko bilang advisor nyo. Minsan, nagagalit ako sa inyo, pero siguro naman alam nyo na para sa inyo din ang mga pangaral ko. For Ezekiel, I will always remember you because kayo ang unang first high school student na hinawakan ko. Sana sa pagtutong nyo sa college, tandaan nyo yung mga pangaral ko na mag-aral pa rin kayo, magsunikap kayo, nang sa ganon, maabot nyo yung anong gusto nyo, pangarap nyo sa buhay. Naway, maging successful kayo sa chosen career nyo. Gusto nyo akong kalimutan. You made me so proud and I'm so happy that you're my advisory class. God bless you all. I love you.
Buenas días contigo, Lila Arns, na North Carolina. So, aquí na Zamboanga City, mga 18 minutos pasada del alas 3 del tarde. Cerca dito yung cumpleaños, y bien alegre yo, kay golden birthday sa dito yo, y permitido conmigo saludar contigo, feliz cumpleaños, ojalá el Señor ay bendici contigo con muchos años de salud, de alegría, de paz y prosperidad. Tamisi contigo, ikaw lang con children, kung no ay también aquí, pero el bueno kay tapos lang yung mira contigo na Facebook, de manera para man-contact, man-cuento, bien busy lang gayon. Por eso, ojalá ay tiene kita otra oportunidad para manhunto uli y man-cuentos mga pasadas de vida. Alegre yo kay dito yung sitwasyon ali, bueno, man-enjoy lang junto con dito yung pamilya, dito yung marido si Alvin. Pirmi lang grateful kay bien muchas las cosas na mundo para queda grateful. Yo grateful yo kay amiga to di mio, si Shildred y los demás pa quien junto ka nato na primer cuántos años de ato na Ateneo. So, tiene tu pirmi cuidado y ojalá el Señor ay bendice contigo pirmi y di tuyo familia. Hasta aquí lang.
My first teaching experience was with Laarni right after our college graduation. Laarni exemplifies the Ignatian values of Magis, Cura Personalis, and Animo. Regarding Magis, Laarni committed herself to excellence by doing her best, keeping herself abreast with the latest trends and developments in the field of education, and pursuing a postgraduate degree. For Cura Personalis, Laarni showed compassion and care towards her individual students, spent time with them after the class, and listened attentively to their sharing of life experiences. Animo is reflected in her passion, dedication, and love to work. These are some characteristics that best describe Laarni as a teacher. Happy birthday, Mare!
Rosario. Greetings from Zamboanga. Laarni, happy 50th birthday. How are you and the family? Let's trace back memory lanes. Now, cuando lang man ken? Seems just like yesterday. You were a good-looking, lovely, beautiful young girl who enrolled in the College of Education, Ateneo College of Education. Very determined to become a teacher. And you made it. You made it. And after that, after 4 years, you became a teacher. you applied at the College of Liberal Arts. You're liked by many students. You're liked by your colleagues. And you love to teach. You were very determined to teach. After that, somebody found you, Alvin found you, and you decided to leave Ateneo. So we lost you for a while. It's not for a while, it's for a long while. Thanks to Facebook, because we found each other. And we hope you can come back with your family, children. You can come back to Zamboanga City, especially and see your friends, see your alma mater. And we look forward to seeing each other. You just have completed your complete trip around the sun. We hope that you'll have more trips to do in the future. Good luck. We're trying to get a shot on stage. We're singing Happy Birthday to You. It's kind of dark, but pwede kasi, no? Enjoy lang, enjoy lang. So happy birthday once again. Regards to Alvin, keep the home fire burning, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
To Arlie, and Dingin. Happy 50th birthday. You just completed a round trip around the sun. We hope you can make more trips. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
All right. But not one.